Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
Nowadays, unfortunately, my young friends, people are so engrossed in these sports that they start to fight with each other. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. And we've seen that good brothers, they'll come to the masjid, alhamdulillah, and then they'll be arguing over a football game of Manchester United versus Liverpool. Big deal, man. Yeah? What have they got to do with us? Subhanallah. Eh? They're fighting over it, and what are they going to achieve? Nothing. They're going to achieve nothing. Fine, you support a team, and that's fine. You support it to the level, but then what does it do? The sport becomes a fitna. When we're in Salah, Abdullah comes for Salah, the World Cup game is on, or the European Championship, or whatever, it's Maghrib time. No, I'm not going to, I'm going to watch the game. Yeah? Come on, boys, be honest, yeah? Cricket, the World Cup, India versus Pakistan, subhanallah, yeah. What happened then? Everybody knows, yeah? Yeah, man. So many people were glued onto that game, and they left their religious duties. I can remember at one time in the World Cup, there was a game during Salatul Jummah. There was a game, I think, during Salatul Jummah in one of the World Cup games. I can't remember exactly which year, but there was a game in the World Cup during Jummah time. You get people were asking, Shaykh, is there a late Jummah somewhere? Yeah? Says, wait a minute, man. Why do you want to pray late Jummah for? Shaykh, there must be provision somewhere. Yeah? Shaykh, can you lead late Jummah? I was scratching my head. What's that for, man? Yeah? Why do you want to pray late Jummah? Then I find out, oh yeah, this was the secret behind it, yeah? That they wanted to see the game and leave the Salatul Jummah of the main congregation and do a separate Jummah just for the sake of the match. Allahu Akbar, yeah? Forget that, Abdullah. People then go one step further. And what happens? In Salah, they're praying namaz, Allahu Akbar. They come to the masjid, alhamdulillah, but now in namaz the thoughts are with the match. What's gonna happen? Rooney must be scoring now. Allah, make Rooney score. Subhanallah. Yeah. This is the thought. Oh, come on, Allah Ta'ala, please, Allah, please. I gotta face my friends, Allah, Subhanallah. Yeah? Now these are the thoughts. Be honest, brothers, yeah? Some of them experience these things, yeah? Praying namaz and raising and say, Allah, give me taqwa, yeah? Oh Allah, grant me your fear. Instead of that, oh Allah, give Rooney the golden boot, yeah? Ajib, Allah. Like I say, sports to a certain level, I accept it, fine and well. I don't have any qualms about it. But then when it starts to affect our deen, our commitment to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and our commitment to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that's when it's questionable. Unfortunately, like I say, I see many religious people unfortunately engrossed in these kind of debates and discussions. There's better things to talk about. I see this sometimes, the people in the masjid, in the passages, Are dekha kaise chagga lagaya, are man. You see how he hit that 6 man, yeah? Do you see how did you see that free kick he took, man? Classic, man, classic. Ajib, there is no harm in having a sport, as a habit or hobby or whatever. But then when it starts to affect a person to this level, that's when I feel it's questionable. That's when I feel is that we should show where our commitment is.